In this video, I'll show you how to make YouTube TV the default app on LG TV. Step 1. App default limitations. LG WebOS does not let users set any app as the system's true default startup app. However, you can make YouTube TV one tap accessible and fast to launch. Step 2. Pin YouTube TV to home bar. Press the home button on the remote. Scroll to the YouTube TV app icon in the app ribbon. Press and hold OK/enter to enter edit mode. Move the YouTube TV icon to the far left for fastest access. Step 3. Open YouTube TV on TV startup. After turning on your TV, press home and select YouTube TV right away. Some models support voice commands. Say open YouTube TV into the remote. Step 4. Assign YouTube TV to quick access. Press and hold a number key 9 Press and hold a number key 1 to 9 while the YouTube TV app is selected to assign it to a quick access shortcut. Later, just hold that number button to instantly launch YouTube TV. And that's how you get super quick access to YouTube TV. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you. Have a nice day. Bye.